RuQuan, what's a high middle school? What grade you in?
Third, second school of me. Second, third, second, fourth, all the money on
And then she turned around and used those same skills, and she interviewed DC council members on the issue of Howard Middle School and whether Banneker campus would even be where it is now. So her and other students from Shaw, they actually led the lobby day.
I would say middle school because some kids don't have the desire or to bravery to go to school because they're shy. So I think that there should be Shaw schools there so they can be in the district and where they live. And also there should be other schools named Shaw, not just one.
And influence that outcome.
That's dope. No.
Did y'all even know that? Did y'all know that that work that y'all did down there impacted DC Council's decision and their the developer's ability to build Banneker on its new campus?
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's dope. And I gotta thank you for that because I owe you a thank you and anybody else you're working with because, you know, me and my classmates put in a lot of work to make that happen. And sometimes we forget how many people were involved in making that happen. But that was real important to us because the old Banneker is so old and dusty. And, you know, the new Banneker is a lot better. So thank you.